Hello, welcome to the lecture session. Today we are going to discuss some more problems, that is a tutorial on different vector calculus. First problem, find the angle between the surfaces x square plus y square plus minus z square is equals to 4 and x square plus y square minus 13 is equal to z at the point 2, 1, 2. Given phi 1 and phi 2, name them as phi 1 and phi 2 respectively, and take all the constants to one side, everything to one side, and then it is phi 1 is x square plus y square minus z square is equals to 4, and phi 2 is x square plus y square minus z minus 13 is equals to 0. So the point what they have given is 2, 1 and then 2. So del phi 1 is given by dou phi 1 by dou x into I plus dou phi 1 by dou y into j plus dou phi 1 by dou z into k, as we already discussed some of the problems. So del phi 1 is given by, when we differentiate this phi 1 with respect to x, we get 2x, with respect to y it is 2y, with respect to z it is minus 2z. And if we were substituting the point P as 2, 1 and then 2, we will get 4i plus 2j minus 4k. Let's call this as A vector. Next, similarly, let's take the second one, that is phi 2. For del phi 2, we will find out. So the del phi 2 will be equals to 2x I plus 2yj minus k, and at the point if we substitute, it is 4i plus 2j minus k. Let us call this as B, and we know the formula that cos theta is given by a in a dot b, vector a dot vector b divided by the modulus of a and b. So we get 4i plus 2j minus 4k dot 4i plus 2j minus k divided by its magnitudes, that is 16 plus 4 plus 16 and 16 plus 4 plus 1, 4 square, 2 square and then 1. So which on simplification we get 24 divided by the root 36 is 6 in 21, which will be the same. So 6 and 24 gets cancelled, we get it as 4 divided by root of 21, that is theta is given by cos inverse of 4 by root 21. Next, let's go for the different type of problem, that is by how to find the constants when it is an irrotational. So find the constants AB where if a vector f is equals to axy plus bz square I plus 3x square minus j and plus 3xz square minus y of k is an irrotational, and hence find the scalar potential phi for which f is equals to del phi. So f is given by this vector. Let's consider it is an irrotational also they have given. So let's consider what is curl f is equal to. So curl f is given by a determinant with ijk, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and the components of ijk respectively will be equals to 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Now each of this component, that is on simplification, I times of dou by dou y of this minus dou by dou z of this should be equated to 0, and minus j times of dou by dou x of 3x minus z by z cube minus y minus of dou by dou z of axy plus bz square, and k times of dou by dou x of this 3x square minus z and dou by dou y of axy plus bz cube has to be also equated to 0. That is, each component has to be equated to 0. Then this is what I have explained, and it is equated to 0, thereby we are getting a value of b as 1 and the value of a as 6. So on substitution of a and b, we get f is equal to 6xy plus z cube I plus 3x square minus zj plus 3x z square minus yk, and let phi be the scalar potential such that f is del phi. That means we need to find out the grad. So 6xy z cube I, that is phi we need to find out, and 3x square minus z of I. So let us take dou phi by dou x as the 6xy plus z cube, dou phi by dou y as this, and dou phi by dou z as this, and let's find out what is the common function phi on integration with respect to x, y and z respectively. When we integrate dou phi by dou x with respect to x, we know that a function of yz as a constant to be added. When we integrate this, x integral will be x square divided by 2. So we get it as 3x square y, and z cube when we integrate it will be multiplied with x because we are integrating with respect to x, and the function of yz will be added as a constant. Similarly here 3x square is a constant. When it is integrated with respect to y, y gets multiplied. Similarly z is a constant. When it is integrated, we get multiplied with y. So f2 of zx has to be added as a constant. Next, dou phi by dou z is equal to 3x z square minus y, and dou phi will be the integral of integral of dou phi will be integral of 3x z square minus y of dz, and which on integration we get 3x square y minus yz plus a function of xy. On comparing all the three functions phi, we get 3x square y minus yz plus xz cube, which is a function phi. One more problem of this type, that is find the constants so that the vector field is an irrotational, and find out the scalar potential f is equals to del phi. So f is given like this, and it is an irrotational, so the curl f is equals to 0 we need to consider, and the curl f formula is given by ijk of this one, and each component of which when it is equated, that is after finding the determinant, we will be getting c plus 1 is 0, and 4 minus a is 0, and b minus 2 is 0. Thereby we get a is 4, b is 2, and c is minus 1. So which on replacement of a, b and c, we get f is equals to x plus 2y plus 4zi plus 2x minus 3y minus zj plus 4x minus y plus 2z of k. Let's call this as equation 2. Now let phi be the scalar function. We have f is equals to del phi. So this f is equated to del phi, where del phi is given by dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou z k, and each of the ijk components are equated in order to determine the value of phi. So dou phi by dou x is x plus 2y plus 4z, which on integration x square by 2 plus 2xy plus 4zx plus a function of yz is added. Similarly, dou phi by dou y, which on integration 2xy minus 3y square by 2 minus yz plus the function of zx is added, and dou phi by dou z, when you integrate, it will be 4xz minus yz plus z square, and common function phi will be given by x square by 2 minus 3y square by 2 plus z square plus 2xy plus 4zx minus of yz. This is the common function phi which we are going to get it. Thank you.